today's a big day. Let's get dressed. Alright, you guys might be thinking, Ryder, what's so important about today? Number one, we're going to the Lego store. But secondly, the reason why I'm dressed so nicely is because I'm not buying any just ordinary set from the Lego store. This is $705, and we are about to spend it on one set, and it's going to be good. This set is actually so big I can't even fit my table in with my face because I can't get the whole box in frame. Oh, oh man. Okay. I don't even know how I'm gonna get this out. Oh. There we go. Wow. Oh man. Oh, this is crazy. I can't believe it. Oh, look at the back too. And look at the bottom. Has the bottom picture of the set as well. Place it right here. And there's 3 pieces of tape that you can pop off. It looks like there's 2 boxes inside of it. Alright, so here are the 2 boxes. Out of here, we got box 1, box 2. Okay, hold on. We got this one too. And then on the back here, don't fall off the table. Not really too surprising, but a lot of bags. So sticker sheet here, 2 instruction manuals, like a front view of the Venator, and then here's one with kind of a top view for the instruction manual too. Here in the second box, and then booklet number 3 is a back view of the Venator. Booklet number 4, yeah, it's a lot of pieces, so let me get this built.
A few moments later.
Alright, 3 days later, and the set is done. It is actually massive. For a comparison, I have the Lego ATTE, and just look at this. If I put it up next to it, you might be able to get kind of a sense of how big this set actually is. This is back to back. Back of the ATTE is lined up with the back of the Venator, and I am actually breaking this. You can see it's pretty massive. Overall, this set is honestly amazing. All in all, I think it was definitely worth it. $700 is a lot, but this set is just, it's amazing, it's huge. It looks just amazing on my display. I'm super glad to have it. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed watching, like and subscribe, and thank you guys.